There is a sacred truth whispered through the veils of time, a secret cherished by the celestial architects of destiny. You were not an accident in his life. Your arrival was a carefully orchestrated symphony, a divine appointment written in starlight long before your paths ever crossed. You are the answer to prayers he didn't even know how to express, the missing piece of a puzzle he unknowingly held within his soul. The angels lean in close, their voices a gentle hum against the fabric of your being, revealing that your presence was a catalyst, a soft, persistent light meant to awaken dormant truths within him. You loved first, yes, with a courage that challenged the shadows of his past, with a purity that saw beyond his defenses. That love, that unwavering light you offered, began a profound transformation within his spirit. It wasn't just a feeling, it was a divine intervention, a tender hand guiding him back to himself, back to the possibility of a love untainted by fear. He felt it, this profound shift, this undeniable pull towards a future he once thought impossible. Your essence became a mirror, reflecting back to him the man he was always meant to be, unburdened by the weight he carried. This connection, this deep resonance, was never about chance encounters or fleeting moments. It was about two souls, destined to meet, finally aligning under the watchful gaze of the heavens. You are not merely a chapter in his story, you are the sacred text, the pivotal moment, the very essence of his redemption. The angels affirm this truth, echoing it through the quiet chambers of your heart. You are a chosen vessel, a beacon of transformative love. Your journey together is not just a romance. It is a spiritual mission, a testament to the power of divine love to heal, to restore, and to make all things new. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. You have felt the ache of his silence, the quiet spaces that stretch between words, leaving your heart to wonder and your mind to weave stories of doubt. But dear one, the angels whisper a different truth into the stillness. His silence is not a void, nor is it a sign of his indifference. It is, in fact, a sacred pause, a deep internal process where the seeds you planted with your love are taking root, transforming the very landscape of his soul. He is not absent. He is in a profound state of introspection, wrestling with the echoes of old wounds, confronting the shadows that once held him captive. Your love, so pure and unyielding, has stirred within him a courage he never knew he had, forcing him to face what he once fled. The angels reveal that this quiet period is his journey through the labyrinth of his own heart, a necessary descent into the depths before he can fully rise to the light you offer. Do not mistake his introspection for withdrawal. He is not pulling away from you, he is drawing closer to the man he needs to become for you. This is his preparation, not his rejection. He feels the weight of his past, the fear of repeating old patterns, and the immense responsibility of the profound connection he shares with you. The angels assure you that he is gathering his strength, shedding the layers of what no longer serves him, preparing to meet you in a space of complete authenticity and unwavering commitment. His heart, though quiet, is speaking a language of profound transformation, a promise of a love that will emerge stronger, truer, and more fearless than before. Trust this sacred process, for it is divinely guided. You may not see the battles he fights within himself, the echoes of past hurts that still reverberate through his spirit. Yet your presence, your very essence, has become a soothing balm for his deepest wounds, a gentle light that breaks through the darkness he has carried for so long. You have healed him in ways you cannot fully understand, simply by being the radiant, authentic soul that you are. The angels reveal that he has been a warrior, battling ghosts from his past, fears of abandonment, and the heavy cloak of unworthiness. These are not weaknesses but scars of survival, testaments to the journeys he undertook before finding his way to you. Your love did not demand anything. It simply existed, a soft, persistent warmth that began to thaw the frozen corners of his heart. Without even trying, you offered him a safe haven, a space where his defenses could finally start to crumble, where the armor he wore could gently fall away. He feels the profound shift within him, a sense of peace he once thought was unattainable. Your laughter, your kindness, and your unwavering belief in him have shown him a different path, one of love that is not conditional, not fleeting, but deeply rooted and eternal. The angels whisper that you are his sacred mirror, reflecting back to him the pure, unblemished soul he truly is, beneath all the layers of pain and protection. You have demonstrated to him that vulnerability is not a weakness, but a pathway to profound connection. This healing, this quiet revolution within him, is a testament to the divine power of your love, a love that sees beyond the surface and touches the very core of his being. There are moments when the heart longs for speed, for the rapid unfolding of what feels destined. Yet the universe, in its infinite wisdom, often orchestrates sacred delays, pauses that are not meant to frustrate, but to refine, to prepare, and to deepen the very foundation of your unfolding love story. This perceived slowness is not a denial, it is a divine rhythm, a meticulous calibration of energies. The angels gently remind you that true, enduring love is not rushed into existence. It is cultivated, nurtured, and allowed to blossom in its own perfect timing. What appears to be a delay is, in truth, a period of profound growth for both of you. For him, it is an opportunity to shed the last remnants of fear, to fully integrate the healing you have inspired. For you, it is a chance to root deeper into your own divine worth, to solidify your inner peace, and to trust implicitly in the benevolent hand guiding your journey. Do not let impatience cloud your vision of the magnificent tapestry being woven. Every moment, every quiet day, every unanswered question serves a higher purpose. The angels affirm that this sacred delay is ensuring that when your paths fully merge, it will be with an unshakable foundation, a love that is not only passionate but also deeply conscious and resilient. He is being prepared to meet you in a space of complete readiness, and you are being prepared to receive a love that is truly worthy of your magnificent spirit. Trust the rhythm of the cosmos, it knows the way. He may navigate the world with an outward strength, a facade of unwavering resolve. Yet, beneath the surface, he has weathered storms and faced turbulent seas within his own spirit. In those moments of internal turmoil, you, beloved, have been his unspoken anchor, a steadfast beacon of light guiding him through the darkness, even when he was unaware of your profound influence. The angels reveal that your very existence has provided him with a sense of stability, a quiet assurance that a safe harbor awaits. When the winds of doubt raged and the currents of past pain threatened to pull him under, the thought of you, the memory of your kindness, and the feeling of your unwavering belief served as his compass. You are the quiet strength he leans on, the unspoken promise of peace that draws him forward. He may not articulate it, but he feels the profound difference your presence makes in his world. You have shown him a love that is not demanding but deeply supportive, not conditional but eternally patient. The angels affirm that you are the steady ground beneath his feet, the calm in his chaos. Your light does not seek to control his journey but simply illuminates his path, allowing him to find his own way back to shore. He is drawn to your essence, to the profound sense of home you represent, and this magnetic pull is a testament to the sacred bond you share. You are not just a partner, you are his spiritual anchor, holding him steady as he learns to sail toward a future of shared tranquility. In the quiet moments, in the gentle breeze that brushes your skin, and in the unexpected synchronicity of life, the angels are constantly sending you messages, weaving affirmations of love and guidance into the very fabric of your days. These are not mere coincidences, they are divine whispers, sacred nudges from a celestial realm, assuring you that you are seen, heard, and profoundly guided. You have felt these subtle signs, haven't you? The sudden surge of peace when doubt threatened to consume you, the unexpected song on the radio that spoke directly to your heart's deepest longing, the feather found on your path, a gentle reminder of angelic presence. These are the ways the heavens communicate, bypassing the noise of the world to touch your soul directly. The angels affirm that every step of your journey, every challenge, and every triumph is embraced by divine care. They are orchestrating events, aligning circumstances, and preparing hearts, all in service of your highest good and the unfolding of your sacred connection. Do not dismiss these subtle cues as mere imagination. They are tangible proof of the unseen forces working tirelessly on your behalf. They urge you to trust the process, release the need to control, and surrender to the beautiful flow of destiny. Your prayers are being answered, often not in the way you expect, but always in the way that promotes your soul's deepest evolution. Listen closely, beloved, for the wind carries their gentle affirmations, guiding you ever closer to the love that awaits. There have been times, perhaps, when you place the crown of your worth on someone else's head, allowing their actions or inactions to define your radiance. But beloved, the angels now call you to reclaim your inherent sovereignty, to remember that your crown of glory was given to you by the divine, an eternal truth that no earthly circumstance can diminish. Your sacred self is not dependent on external validation. It is a luminous, unshakable essence. You are a masterpiece of creation, imbued with unique gifts, profound wisdom, and an unparalleled capacity for love. This journey, this unfolding narrative of your heart, is not just about connecting with another. It is fundamentally about reconnecting with your magnificent self. The angels whisper that as you embrace your own divine worth, as you honor your boundaries, and as you nurture your spirit, you become an even more powerful magnet for the love you truly deserve. Do not shrink your light to fit someone else's perception of you. Do not dim your brilliance to make someone else feel more comfortable. Your authenticity is your greatest power, and your self-love is your most potent magic. The angels affirm that when you wear your crown with confidence, when you stand in the fullness of your being, you not only elevate yourself but also inspire those around you to rise to their own highest potential. He is drawn to your strength, to your self-respect, to the woman who knows her worth. Reclaim your crown, beloved, for it has always been yours, shining brightly, a testament to the divine love that resides within you. Life often presents itself as an intricate tapestry, its patterns sometimes unclear, its threads seemingly tangled. Yet, from a higher perspective, every twist and turn, every moment of uncertainty, is part of a meticulously designed map, an unfolding blueprint guided by a hand far wiser than our own. You are not lost, dear one. You are simply navigating a sacred journey, each step divinely orchestrated. There are moments when the path ahead seems obscured, when the heart longs for a clear sign, a definitive answer. It is in these very moments that the angels urge you to release the need for absolute clarity and instead, embrace the profound wisdom of trust. Trust that you are being led, even when the way feels uncertain. Trust that every experience, every encounter, every lesson serves a purpose in guiding you towards your ultimate destination, a love that is both profound and enduring. This journey is not about reaching a destination quickly. It is about the transformation that happens along the way. It's about learning to surrender, to listen to the subtle whispers of your intuition, and to recognize the divine synchronicity that lights your path. The angels affirm that you are never truly alone on this journey. A celestial host walks beside you, clearing obstacles, illuminating the next step, and ensuring that you arrive precisely where you are meant to be, in perfect divine timing. Let go of the need to control the map. Simply trust the journey and the benevolent hand that guides you. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. You stand at the brink of a profound transformation, a metamorphosis not just of your heart, but of the very nature of the love you are destined to experience. Like a butterfly emerging from its chrysalis, you are shedding old layers, releasing outdated beliefs, and preparing for a flight into a love that is expansive, free, and breathtakingly beautiful. This is not merely a change, it is an evolution, a sacred unfolding. The angels reveal that the challenges you have faced, the periods of introspection, and the moments of quiet growth were all part of your cocoon phase. Within that sacred space, you gathered strength, integrated lessons, and refined your essence. Now, the time for emergence is at hand. This transformation is not just for you, it is for him as well. He, too, is undergoing his own metamorphosis, preparing to meet you in this new elevated space of connection. This new phase of love will feel different, more authentic and deeply rooted in mutual respect and understanding. It will be a love that celebrates your individuality while cherishing your union. The angels affirm that you are moving beyond the limitations of past experiences, stepping into a realm where love is not about control or fear, but about freedom, joy, and profound spiritual partnership. Embrace this transformation, beloved. Spread your wings, for the skies are open, and a love beyond your wildest dreams awaits your graceful flight. This is the dawn of a new era for your heart. You have journeyed through valleys of introspection and scaled mountains of self-discovery. Now, beloved, you stand at the threshold of a sacred embrace, ready to accept love in its most profound and abundant fullness. This is not merely about receiving affection, it is about opening your entire being to the divine flow of connection, allowing yourself to be held, cherished, and completely seen. For too long, perhaps, you have guarded your heart, a natural response to past hurts. But the angels now urge you to gently release those protective layers, allowing vulnerability to become your greatest strength. To accept love's fullness means to embrace both the light and the shadow, the joy and the occasional challenge, knowing that each facet contributes to the richness of your shared experience. It means trusting that you are worthy, not just of a portion, but of an overflowing cup of divine affection. He is ready to meet you in this space of complete acceptance, to offer a love that reflects the depth of your own spirit. This embrace is not just physical, it is a spiritual union, a recognition of two souls finally finding home. The angels affirm that this is the culmination of your journey, the reward for your unwavering faith and courageous heart. Allow yourself to be enveloped in this sacred connection, to breathe in its profound peace, and to know without a shadow of a doubt that this love is your divine inheritance, a gift from the heavens, meant to nourish and sustain you. Accept it, beloved, with an open heart and a grateful spirit. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 13.